Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you something different. I will show you how to make this crochet bear coaster. It's very cute, very easy and very fast. For our new project you will need 2 colors medium weight yarn and 5mm hook. I start with the first color, make a slip knot, chain 3, join to the first chain to make a circle, chain 1, and now make 10 half double crochet in the circle. Now join to the first stitch of the round with slip stitch, and we start second round. Chain 1, make 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. Now join to the first stitch of the round. I finished second round and I have 20 stitches. Now third round, chain 1, make 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 half double crochet in next stitch, 1 half double crochet in next stitch, 2 half double crochet in next stitch, again 1 half double crochet in next stitch, 2 half double crochet in next stitch. Repeat it till the end of the round. Join to the first stitch. I finished third round and I have 30 stitches. Now chain 1, skip the first stitch, then make 6 double crochet in the second stitch. Skip 1 stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, slip stitch in the next stitch, skip one stitch, then make 6 double crochets in the next stitch, skip one stitch, slip stitch in next stitch, one single crochet in next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the third stitch, one single crochet in next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in next stitch, again one single crochet in next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, again one single crochet in next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in next stitch, one single crochet in next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, join, and I will change with the second color. Chain 1, make 2 single crochet in each stitch of the ears. Now make 1 single crochet in next stitches, and now again 2 single crochet in each stitch of the ear. And now make 1 single crochet in each stitch till the end of the round. Now join to the first stitch of the round, chain 1, cut the yarn, And our bear coaster is ready. I hope you like it. I think it's very cute. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.